Hey guys, this is Jordan. I'm just posting my initial post on the Dropbox case analysis. So Dropbox came into the market late. There was already a bunch of cloud-based storage systems already out there on the market when they entered in when they started with their initial fundraising campaign about in 2007. I liked what he explained to the venture capitalists when Houston asked them, how many of these services do you personally use? And the venture capitalists all said none of them. And so what he was trying to do was show that he was different by saying that his competitors were having problems transferring data across firewalls and sometimes fell through with big files or a large number of files at one time when they were trying to sync them across. So his solution to this problem was creating a program where you could have your file or a folder on your computer and then share that with other people or on a different device. And as soon as you uploaded that program onto your computer and started saving your documents, anytime that you would save that, it would automatically update onto the other people or your other computer where that folder or file was downloaded. So instead of emailing or using a jump drive, it would automatically only save the changes that you made to the document, saving time, bandwidth, and time as far as transferring the data files across the internet. And so he was able to find a way to cost reduce the cost of the transfer of the files and also the time, and it just made things easier. So that was what he developed and what he saw. And I believe he really felt that everybody had this problem of being able to share files. And so he said anybody from students to business professionals, they all had this problem of sharing files and how to do it seamlessly and as quickly and cost efficient as possible. So that's why he came up with Dropbox. And so I've kind of explained what it does already and how they do it. So the way, and just to kind of go into how he does it a little bit better, the case says that they tracked changes in real time to any file placed in the user's local Dropbox folder, then almost instantly synchronized a copy of that file on Dropbox's servers, updating only those portions of the file that had changed in order to save bandwidth and time. And so that's how they went about making themselves different from their competitors. So their early hypothesis at the very beginning of this, Houston thought that the way to grow the company was going to be through partnering deals. And the one he brought up was Android. And what he thought he was going to do is have his program already installed on Android devices when they went to ship. But when he went in to work out these deals and everything with the bigger companies, they all wanted him to customize things and to change the basic fundamentals of what Dropbox was. So he ended up realizing that that wasn't a good idea. That wasn't the way to grow the company. And so him and his partner decided that it would be best to grow the company organically, which within 8 months of launching the program to the public, they had over 1 million users, and that's a pretty big feat. So I believe that he made the right choice to grow it organically, and we will continue our discussion in our meeting. Thanks, guys.